Viewers, and welcome to another segment of Learn IT with Enkata. In this tutorial, we take you through how to perform one of the most easiest but looking scary tasks in Microsoft Word, which is typing of equations and mathematical formula. But before I proceed, I want to remind you to follow my page, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any of our tutorials. Now, supposing we are given this particular equation, which I have put on the right side of the screen, and we are asked to type this. How are you going to do it? Some people find themselves in a confusing state when they find themselves in a situation to type something like this. They end up looking for people to type for them, thereby taking their money when they could have easily sat in front of the Microsoft Word and type it themselves. So, assuming we are given this to type, what do you do? How do you go about it? Let me open my Microsoft Word, which I have also put them side by side on the screen so that we can compare against what we are typing. Now, to do that, Microsoft has already created templates of equations on you. That means that you don't have to actually go into a lot of stressful typing to achieve something like this. How do you get those templates? By coming to the Insert menu here. If you look at the extreme right, we have we have symbols here. You click on this, you can see we have equation with some arrow pointing down. Now, when you click on that arrow, we have this template showing. So let me go back and look at what we are to type. Okay, it is this fx function. Okay, so let me go back to the equation. I think it should be this. This is it. It is this. So we just click on that and the equation is entered for us. If you look at the beginning, we have the fx a0 plus, I think everything is there. So the first part is done. So we can put the cursor at the end here, press enter. Now, you can see that the equation is automatically centered it's centered in the page. You can click on the line and use the alignment and put it wherever you want it to be. Pair the alignment, right, center, left. Okay, so let's come to the second line and look for the next equation. So we come back to our insert, symbol, open the equation. I think this is it. This is the other one. Can click on that. So let's compare. Okay, I think it's the same thing. So I can use the alignment, push that one to the right, press my enter. Let me look for the third one. 1 plus x to bracket n. So come back to my insert, symbol, equation. I think this is it. Okay, so we have that too. You see, we have easily entered the equation. But it doesn't end here. Once you are able to enter the equation like this, you can actually modify the content of the equation. Supposing I want to change this f into bracket x, I can click inside, change the x to f to say g. I can change the x to say n. You can change anything in the formula, actually. You can change anything. You can change anything you see in the formula. You can click inside, use the backspace, the delete key, delete it, and change it to whatever you want. So this is how easy it is to enter equations in Microsoft Word. As you can see, assuming it is just simple fractions you are entering, you can still come to the insert, open the equations. We have a whole lot of templates. As you scroll up and down, you can see them. If the equation you are looking for is not in the in the list here, we have if the equation you are looking for is not in this list, you can click on the equation button itself and you will have these. A whole lot of templates. We have fractions here, which you can choose from. Assuming I want dy dx. No, let me bring it down. Okay, so insert, click on the equations. All these things appear. So we have, say, let's say I want dy dx. I've inserted dy dx here, as you can see. I can go back, insert, equations, look through again, These are fractions. Maybe I want this. So this one is a simple fraction, and it has given me two boxes, one on top, one at the bottom. So I can click inside the box and type whatever I want to type. Let's say x plus y over, click inside the bottom box and say 3x minus 4y. That is how easy it is to type equations in Microsoft Word. You can go back, equation, look through the predefined templates again and choose what suits you. Then you click it for it to appear. I think we have square roots, cube roots here. So if suppose you want something like this is something root of something. So I can click on this box and say, okay, the sixth root of, click inside this one, say 256. Okay, I have that too. You can come back to the insert, equations. These are radicals. These are integrals. In fact, any mathematical templates available in the world, you can get them here. Once you see what is applicable to what you are looking for, you click on it, it appears on the page, then you can modify the figures to suit what you want. This is how easy to type equations in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to follow our page, subscribe, comment, like, and share, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any of our tutorials. Thank you very much.